let's do the intake air filter. All stock, no cold air intake because those are silly. They just make noise. So there's these little star drivers, or Torx, they're called. I don't know the size of the Torx off the top of my head. You just look at your tools, which you should have if you own a Volkswagen, and you remove them. And remove this cover to get to the air filter. Those are loosened. There's 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, excuse me, 7 and 8. And nice thing is they kind of just stay in there so you don't lose them. And then you should just be able to lift it high enough to pull this out without removing any more of the airbox connections. So let's pull her out. There's our shiny new filter. The other one's out, and then you just put the new one in. And it's that simple. You just make sure all those orange edges are within the track of the filter housing. And then you just line all your Torx back up. Tighten them down, and a happy, free-breathing engine. Cheers.